learn test of divisibility of by 6 or test of divisibility by 6. In the previous class you learned about the divisibility of 2, 5, 10 and 3 and 9. Now the number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3, by both 2 and 3. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is both divisible by 2 and 3. By 2 and 3, okay, by and 3. Now let us check the divisibility of 450 and 261 by 6 now. 450. A number is divisible by 2 if the last number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here last number is 0, so it is divisible by 2. Now we'll find whether it's divisible by 3 or not. So we'll add this sum. 4 plus 5 plus 0 is equal to 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. So 9 is a multiple of 3. Since 9 is a multiple of 3, this 450 is divisible by 3. So 450 is both 50 can be divided both by 2 and 3. Therefore, it can be divided by 6. Now, if you want to find the answer here, 450 divided by 6. 6 will not going to go. Take 4 and go for it. 6 sevens are 42 minus 5 minus 3 2 and bring on this 0. 3 0 6 5s are 30. So 6 will go into 450 times. How many times? 75 times. So 450 is divisible by 6. We know this because 450 can be divided both by 2 and 3. Because the last number here is 0. 0 is, if the last number is 0, it can be divided by 2. And when you add this 4 plus 5 plus 0, we get the answer 9. Since 9 is a multiple of 3, it can be divided by 3. So, since it can be divided by 3, we know that it can be divided by 6. Since 450 is both divisible by 2 and 3. Now, next example is there. Next one is 261. Is this number divisible by 6? Now look, last number 1 is not divisible by 2. So since 1 is not divisible by 2, so we will find the answer. 261 is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. But this is a multiple of 3. But 1, it cannot be divided by, since the last number is 1 is not divisible by 2. So this number cannot be divisible by 6. We will see why it's not divisible. Okay, now it's not divisible. 261 divided by 6. 6 will not go to, you take 2 now. 6 and 2 and 6, 26. 6, 3, 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 minus 4, 2. Bring on this 1. 21. So 6 4s are 20. 6 nothing. So 6 3s are 18. 6 4 are 20. 3 times only go 18. There is a remainder there. Remainder is 3. So 261 is not completely divisible by 6. So 261 is not divisible by 6. Since the last number is 1, it cannot be divided by 2. Since this cannot be divided, so it cannot be divisible by 6. So add this number, bring some other 2 or 4, it could be divisible by 2. But when you add this number, if it is not a multiple of 3 again, this number has to be divided both by 2 and 3, then only it can be divided by 6. Now next we'll do the test of divisibility of 4. Now we'll see the test of divisibility by 4. Test of divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits of the number are a multiple of 4. If the last two digits of a number are a multiple of 4. Now we take the last two digits of, for example, we take 364. We take the last two digits, 6 and 4. Now 6 and 4, we'll see whether it's a multiple of 4 or not. 6, 4, 1s are 4, and 2 and 4, 24. 4, 6 are 24. So this 64 is a multiple of 4. So this 364 will be divided by 4. We'll see here. 4 9s are 36, 4 1s are 4. So 4 will go into 364 how many times? 91 times. Now we'll see this. Another example is 214. We'll take this last two digits, 1 and 4, 14. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. This 14 is not a multiple of 4. So this number cannot be divided by 4. So it is not divisible by 4. Suppose we take another unit. 9 9 3 2. We'll take the last two digits, 3 and 2. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, 4 8s are 32. So see, this number is divisible by 4, then this number can be divided by 4. Now we'll see. 4 2s are 8, carry 1, 1 and 19. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 4, 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 17, 19. 3 and 3, 33. 33 will go. 4 8s are 32. Carry 1, 1 12, 4 3s are 12. So you will go into 9 9 3 2 how many times? 2483 times. So we know that if the last two digits are a multiple of 4, a number can be divided by 4. So you better keep this in mind and try to remember the test of divisibility of 6 and 4. We'll continue with other topics in the coming days.